You love me a dirty a fuck and dirt pan mouth feel.
You have your breast so close to him backside face, he must sniff them. No! Youth, me no like you. Me don't like you. Me no love man, so take care of you for me. But a man see me gonna try out for you. Boom! Shenseea. Wagwan Shenseea. No! Somebody. Hold on, pause. Why you play ready? No, I'm not ready for that yet. No. I was just doing a reaction video. Right? To a Trinidad song. And I see notification coming. And then I see what the song just dropped. And then I say a person, I think remember your name, I try to give her a shout out. But she come up on a recent video. I just post a video too now. I said, react to the Shenseea song, I go mad. And I say, oh, you watch the video so fast and I just get notifications of the video post. I can't understand that. But, Shenseea, good comfort. She said I go mad when I react to the video. Not Shenseea, the person who recommended me the video. And the video just post too. I go put a comment on the video. I go put it on the screen because everybody know you. But, like the video, people. Comment on the video to see your comment in the next video that I post. Shenseea, I hope. See you and Jada Kingdom. When I try to hurt up me in the dog. I'm like, yo, when I try to hurt up my bum buckle, like you know I'm hurt some boy in the youth. You know I'm shoot some boy. You and Jada Kingdom are go on that bag of things with good body, you know. You see how she walking? Fight emoji, you mean? You see how she blood clean walking a while ago? I trouble. If you ever disappoint me in this bumbo, I will go out there, sir. Go on. I go tell you this now. You walk going to one prison. Who they are prison people? Adi. But then no one ever assume what for happen now, dog. You see me I say? But me want to see what I go on. Big up on yourself. This is the next way I'm shouting out. I'm going to come make them go and run them at the reaction. But yo. Go on.
Yeah.
Go on.
DJ Frost.
What's your name?
Me bend
What on him shirt?
over, make you.
Hey, me tell you this. And I don't no man stop nothing. And me alone I stab it. Me. Before you even say it out of your bumbuckle belt mouth. I put bumbuckle belt on your shirt. Watch. Go on.
Stop it up. Tight to all of me pum pum fat.
So why you put the pepper spray in this sofa? What on? She a jump. I'm not do that with my hand. She a jump and she put a thing like this. She a dance. And I go down and she put a thing like this. I not do that. I never. They put a thing like this. And then she got some more and she put it on this. I not do that either. Look a girl, let me tell you this. Go on.
Too liquor for your size and me grip you inside. That me call you roll back. You see it?
You know the things that you do to me. You really do. Because you're so pushy thing. But yeah, you know, sometimes when I do something with people, come and talk to them. Because I'm not generally, you know, watch the channel. You see me, I say, I'm a big man, I'm a big woman, you know. I'm glad, you know. Not pick, subscribe to the channel, you know. Everybody from my channel, most viewers, 20, 24 in the region there. I'm glad for that. So I can chat to them. So, you know, when you insert in the dog, yo, what? You ever feel like, you just catch that spirit sometime? Richard!
Heaven between my thighs. Open wide, come sex me right. Wetter than the ocean with the tide.
Who that come? Who him be? Who that brother they be? Youth. Me open the touch her not one bit in a you because me a kick where your foot them, you know. If you touch her sexy body, watch me here.
And two round, I me never have to revive you. Him say, baby love, be my love.
This magnum. The blood clot. Me Django Bongo. Look what Shenseea can come for your foot now. Little girl. Let me just do this to behave myself. Shenseea. Yo, people, I'm telling you this too. This is Shenseea. She knows that she never do them things, you know. Because she knows that she go piss me off when she do them something, you know.
And I need to have good comfort. Type of pussy where make him come right back.
Yeah.
Never get a girl like me.
So you handcuff him. And you whine pan him. How you think me go react to this bumbucker? What you think me go say? What you think me go do? What you think me go feel? I have feelings, you know. Take your ass on off of Shenseea, little boy. Take your hand off of woman. Please take your hand off her and don't ramp with me.
Say yes, my love. Would you love? Give me a dirty a fuck and dirt pan mud beer. Sweat I run like bull pan.
Shenseea, stop whining pan him, no dog. Stop whining pan the man, no Shenseea. Stop whining pan the man, no. You see, you and Jada Kingdom are going, you wanna do something, dog. That's why I earth up little you get to use them head, dog. Stop whining pan the man, no.
Trap, and me have good comfort. Yeah, me sitting bless him, hold him from a catch him, save him.
Stop whining pan the man, no Shenseea. The fuck? Sure.
From past pussy where the pressing touch you make you feel good. Slappy headings, to one more fat you could have swear say you're swelling. You excel.
Slappy, ooh. No, why not for a music video and a wine pan bumbuckle, man? No wine pan them. What you think that make me feel when you wine pan one man?
Light me like action shows. Stick with your true highs and lows. Not chatty side.
Little boy, me. Little boy. Don't me raise up the machine them in a little boy. Where you touch her for?
Silent and 6 tiptoes. Cause I love it when me take all your inches down. Big tongue so you like.
Yes, me do like you when you take all of my inches them, but at the same time, you know a music video that thinks man I wind up and you wind up and him and him a touch up on your body jaw and me not like that. But me like when you take all of my inches them, yes. But you know a music video with the next man right now, me not like that. Me not like that. No, me not like that.
Deep throat, turn your one, come on body hot like throat. Me have something for your boss bout. Plus my freaky.
Me nah come sweat because of you. Turn on my AC. Me nah sweat because of you. No. Me nah sweat. Me nah stress because of you no more. You know why you and Jada Kingdom are come go and surround in a good body? Me ask Jada Kingdom make skilly bang and slap her up on her body jaw. Good girl. Boy, shake it a shake it a shake. Don't slap me, man.
Rice inside and me boom boom comfortable. Regular him to be a bill.
Look on him face. Let's look on him face, Baltimore. Don't do it. Piss me off, man. The blood.
A girl like me say yes, my love. Would you love? Give me a dirty a fuck and dirt pan mud beer.
You have your breast so close to him backside face. He must sniff them out. No! Youth, me don't like you. Me don't like you. Me no love man, so take care of me. But a man say me gonna try and for you.
Sweat I run like bull pan trap.
Little
And me
bamba.
have good comfort.